Hello everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to lock your TikTok application. So do you want to lock your TikTok application and make it private or secure so that no one can open it? If so, then watch this video till the very end. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to the settings and scroll down to apps. Then tap on app lock. Here you have to use your fingerprint or the patterns that you have set to it. After that, scroll down and search for TikTok. So here you have to enable this option TikTok, and the password will be set to your TikTok application. So go back and check it. So tap on TikTok application. After that, here you have to provide the password that you have set to open the TikTok. Now here we are done. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.